Alright guys, for our Mega Minute we have a very interesting sight here. Night heron out in the daytime. They're way more active, they do their hunting at nights, but sometimes you can spot the juveniles. This is a mature one, but you can spot them occasionally out and about in the day. It's also known as the Nyctonassa violacea. So that's the genus and the species for this very stunning bird, marshland bird. Now, I've heard people calling them Gollins, so that would be like one of the Bahamian names for them. They enjoy meals of insects and crabs and other small marine invertebrates, and they're usually hanging around the mangroves. So anytime you see one of those, you know that that is a nocturnal bird, but if you get to see one of them in the daytime, it's a true, cool thing. All right, see you next time.